too. You can imagine this. Not even 5 seconds on the machine. And she pause it. So you're showing off on us? So you're showing off.
Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs 차가운 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내야 하나 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀 But when you feel like giving up remember keep walking your way don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall don't look back 사실은 말이야 Nobody knows Nobody knows Cause it's only yours Only yours, yeah Nobody knows Whispers in my head What you gonna do 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs You know what they say don't brag about what you have Be careful and be humble Otherwise you should be ready to stumble You know what they say 자신감이 없니 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해 Keep walking your way Don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall Don't look back
So yes peeps, we're on our way to Stonebrook Manor. Around the corner. Yes. This is where a new plaza is going to be coming soon with gas station and plaza where you can do shopping. And that's it. Under construction. That is what, and the compound, see me? Yes. This is the vista. And over my side is going to be over here. Okay, okay. This is a manor. Yeah. So guys, I have to have this. You have to have a key, a passcode, else you cannot go in. You'd have to face security. Yeah. So I don't have to join a line, yeah? Okay. Okay. So this is Stonebrook Manor peeps. This is it. And Devon McDonald have an Airbnb here also. So this is it, gated community. So we're using key, go through too. Alright. Security, good evening. This is a nice community. We're gonna go left? Yeah, we're going to the clubhouse. Okay. It's the first clubhouse. Yeah. Okay. Take a look at the first clubhouse. Oh. The gym, everything is on this side. Okay, so lock this at times or what? So you have a sitting area. Okay, we're sitting here. Okay. Relax, chill. Yeah. This is the clubhouse here.
It's a clubhouse, gym and...
Tight security playground for the kids. And you have the clubhouse and a swimming pool.
Okay.
Here.
Up here is a swimming pool then?
Yes, there's one here.
Okay. Oh, they have more than one swimming pool?
Yes, we have one that's closer to our arms.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna play lawn tennis. Look how late it get this evening.
Lawn tennis?
Oh yeah. We're gonna do some night lawn tennis.
Okay, peeps. And as to me, I never play tennis yet, peeps.
Well, I'm gonna try it now for the
So, I'm gonna play tennis like a rich guy. Make sure I bring my shorts. I'm rich guy,
Yeah.
shorts. And thing. And Sister Blast gonna come, peeps. Sister Blast she can't hold it. She can't laugh. She's trying her best.
For a tour on the inside.
She's trying her best to hold it. So yes, peeps, welcome to Stonebrook Manor.
You deserve to live a little down, my brother.
Yes, definitely. So you feel, Sister Blast, you like up here?
This is it.
Yeah.
Welcome to Stonebrook.
Alright. So welcome to it, peeps. Rest room, everything.
So the sitting area where you can also just come and relax for the movie.
The clubhouse. Yeah. I'm not gonna point my camera at the pool as yet because people in there. But they have a pool here, it's a nice pool, and they have gym and stuff like that, peeps. And
have to work by
people in the gym, so you don't wanna put the camera at people either.
Yeah, man.
No, how about you put the camera at people? Wow. Wow. Gym. They have nice gym here for the peeps. And all that. Oh, come Sister Blast. Come see that no workout.
How to hold it like that?
Hold it on me.
Okay.
It's on you.
No, it's on me.
Yeah, turn it on me now.
Okay.
That's a good workout.
Are you doing one on the treadmill?
On the treadmill.
One.
So, brother, these on the treadmill. Not on the treadmill, and what do you call this again? What do you call this again?
I can't even tell.
Huh? Yeah, so I'm working on him belly. Yeah. So, this is all the amenities when I come to Stonebrook, Manor, peeps. Yeah.
Think about our phone gun.
There's a phone gun.
When you go on the treadmill,
No man, we cool. So let's get back out of here. You know, we don't want to get nobody in the camera. Yeah. Yes, peeps. And I say it has a nice pool and thing. But it's a nice place, peeps. So when you come to the Evan place, this is what you get when you come to Stonebrook Manor. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. It's nice, peeps. Yeah. So make sure you book with Evan at MacViews apartment.
Stonebrook Manor.
MacViews, Stonebrook Manor.
Yes.
So you find them on Instagram. Yes, MacViews apartment. Yes, in Kingston, Duhaney Park, and in Trelawny. In Trelawny, I'm gonna tell you more information. In Trelawny, yes, this is Trelawny. Yeah.
Yes, people. So this is the first clubhouse.
Yeah.
We'll have one closer to
Yeah, it's
our
in
house.
Falmouth, Trelawny, peeps. Stonebrook Manor. Yeah. So when you come, tell me amenities that they have to enjoy.
Yeah, they have a clubhouse, they have the sitting area, the pool, area for the kids them to play.
Gym.
We have a lawn tennis court.
Lawn tennis.
And a gym.
And gym. So that's a lot.
And you can always walk and exercise right throughout the whole.
Yeah, it's a very nice, peaceful community. 24-hour security.
Oh yeah.
So even Uncle Donald, we're talking about security. Uncle Donald, if you don't want to stay at Duhaney Park,
you cannot pass this if you don't have a. You cannot pass this gate if you don't have access to it. The reason being as a guest.
Yeah.
Or with a card.
The peeping and the
Yeah, true. This is.
So you have to get invited here, or as a guest. You have to leave your name by the security post for you to come in, and they will call us. So no unannounced guests cannot come to you inside of this community.
Not at all.
No pop-ups.
Yeah, no pop-ups. It's a nice community, peeps. Really nice.
Taxi is inhibited to come in here too. They don't allow the taxi can, and you have to be, the taxi have to be, I would say now, it have to be authorized.
Okay.
You're not going to find a taxi inside here like that.
You got to walk.
No. So,
yeah.
and it's mostly driving class, mostly return residents, like myself.
Yeah. Well, it's a big.
Yeah.
How do you say now? Housing scheme.
Hillside.
Yeah,
it's on
yeah.
the hillside. I have a nice view coming up now, and that view's on my avenue.
Yeah. Because I'm wondering if we're going all the way up there. I was wondering if things are different, a different scheme. Yeah.
Come back around.
Yeah.
We can tour that.
Okay.
We can do that now, right?
Yeah.
We go up the hill and come over. Now we're gonna go around. This is my avenue here.
This is your avenue.
Yes. Return.
Okay. Show you.
So I'll just go up the hill.
Whoa.
For you to see. Drive it out already, but my last people I saw it go because the place is big.
Yeah. You see, peeps, we are going up the hill.
We're going up a hill again, and you just have more views when you go up it.
So you get a sea view.
Oh yeah.
When you're up here.
And a left turn, straight sea view.
You get sea view, and this is not sea view in Kingston.
No.
This is the when we say sea view, we mean a view of the sea.
View of the sea.
Right. Not sea view in Kingston. Yeah, but it's a nice community piece. Real nice.
This take you all over.
Very quiet.
Paradise now. So look at this now, peeps.
Yes.
All of that out there is sea, but
Whoa.
it have a different look today because it's not sunny and it's kind of have a more rainy.
So we're looking straight at the sea.
Straight at the sea.
So when the ship's coming in to Trelawny, the Falmouth rather, yeah, we're gonna see the ships when they're coming in.
That's the Rio, the new
Rio Hotel.
That's
Okay.
it right there.
Whoa.
And you can see where the cruise ship comes in and dock at the Falmouth. We're gonna show you more of that as we go around. We're gonna go to the next amenities area. Where they see there, peeps.
Wow, what a view.
Take a look.
What a view, peeps.
Maybe tomorrow you can get a better view in the day.
Yeah, this is priceless, peeps. This is priceless.
Crazy view.
So this
No amount of money can pay for this view.
Oh, that's so hard.
Yeah.
So we go down off of it.
Go down the
We're
hill.
gonna go down. We're gonna go
And around.
Place where you can see it.
Oh, so you can still do construction here then? Okay.
They're forever doing landscaping here. Our place needs to be landscaped as well.
Wow.
So we're taking our time
Yeah,
doing
peeps.
it.
This is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
This is so beautiful.
In the day it is so blue, like
I'm
turquoise.
trying, peeps. Honestly, me I try to find back my yard, peeps, but you are going, you know. If I'm a circle the ends, you know, we must find back my yard. But kind of get chewed off here, but I soon find back one of the turns.
Yeah.
And what I
Which is
like
gonna
about
take me to
here,
my home,
the people here take a lot of time in doing their landscaping, and it's very nice. So we now in turn, now we're here fresh, we have to look after our landscaping as well.
Yeah.
Because we were paying a lot of attention
The guy that cut the lawn should be here soon. Appeal Boulevard this.
Yeah, right here.
This is my avenue. I don't want to pass.
See me just come and I know it though. Come and look at the name. And that's the thing is, you have to look at the name of the street.
This is Stonebrook
everywhere I
Boulevard.
go.
Poor Boulevard is the next. Yes,
Yeah.
this is my avenue.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So, we're just gonna go straight around my yard is right somewhere right there, but I'll soon show you. We're going back around where the other amenities is.
Okay.
We're gonna do from the whole of the city again.
Devon, then what happens when you do that, Devon?
And Speeps, oh, that's not my car. I thought it was my car. It's a Hilux.
Only for sleeping police here, no speeding.
Oh, we are going up this steep hill. Oh.
So, security normally would be here, waiting to see who's coming in.
Yeah.
Because of sometimes you have guests
security
that
over
comes
here.
here
Security
and
over
really
here.
bad. Using the pool.
There's another pool up here.
So this is the one that's close to my
Okay.
Airbnb. This is the one that is close to it.
Okay.
So we're gonna go back and carry we're gonna play lawn tennis later on in the evening. So we're gonna show you that, guys.
Yeah. So later we're gonna play
Coming
tennis.
back for that.
Yeah.
Just driving in now and taking a look at the beauty
We can come back later, man.
of what we have, yeah?
We can come back later. We can come when you come back later.
When we come back later,
So come back later and
yeah.
drive. So you don't want to go look and see.
No, man, we'll come back later. We can do that, so.
We can just drive then.
Yeah.
See it down there, so. Sitting here and see where the ship dock.
Yeah.
Out here.
Oh, the ship dock out there, so. Okay,
That's
cool.
Falmouth Town Road.
Yeah, that's Falmouth Town. Yeah. It's beautiful, peeps. Yeah.
Now to have a view of it is good.
Yeah.
Tonight you can't see it like that. It's dark.
down from the hill.
So this is Stonebrook Manor, peeps, and we're going down a hill again.
Very clean.
Yeah.
Very clean.
Very clean community. And it's a whole big scheme like with their Portmore.
That's it up on the hillside.
Yeah.
Up on the hill.
No. Portmore than and up here look cool too.
Very.
Up here look pretty cool. So this is peeps, tell them Devon.
Yeah,
So
this is it. So we're turning on our avenue now. That's Pearl Boulevard here. And this is like 2 minutes away from the pool. You can walk.
yeah.
You can drive away up, yeah. My house is here,
Yeah.
right here.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna reverse inside of this.
Now reverse, I'm gonna show you how we get inside and all that. Let's do it now. Just stick and peeps, as soon as you come to the apartment, this is what you go through.
You have a lockbox here.
Yeah.
Lockbox come with the key. So you get a code for that. We will take out that key, but I have a key already. That's the pass out the key, you know, please. Okay.
Yeah. And you have, even though
Take
it's
out your key, pull these two parts of the grill here.
wow.
Yeah, there's a buzzer also. Ring button, and here it inside.
Yes, and you have cameras around, same as it. Even though it's a gated community, you still have cameras around. So you are more than protected. And Sister Blast is also here to protect you.
Yes, I am. Very much so.
Yeah, and it's as I said, it's a very nice community.
Yeah.
Come driving around and see what I've seen. Yeah.
You take your key out from here, one is there,
Uh-huh.
and you open your grill.
Yeah.
Yeah. You come. Oh, and again, let me say something else. Guys, you can sit here, and there's a sea outside there, show them at the hotel.
Yes.
And you can see when the ship is passing.
Yes, if I sit right here.
And watch
Wow.
that view.
Before I even go inside, let me sit.
I have the cushion for that.
The cushion is inside for
The
this.
cushion is
I'm
inside.
not going to even wait for the cushion. I'm just going to
You're
sit.
just gonna relax.
This is a life, babes.
So,
This is a life. So I'm not even enter the apartment yet, but I'm just have to sit on this
check
nice
yeah.
chair
And it's
here.
very windy in the night as well. Too.
Oh, so here is very
That
cool.
one, yeah.
I know mosquitoes will bite you either because it's
No
mesh.
mosquitoes.
So you can always sit on the veranda and relax.
Open the door.
Yes.
No. You
So,
can
see
wait
Yes.
until you get to the door.
So I'm taking off my shoes. Sister Blast tell them no. But mommy always see me, so I'm gonna go to people place and take off my shoes.
Yes, I
Yeah.
know, but
So,
it
next-
can be dirty out here.
Yeah.
So this is also
You have to code.
a code. A code there to open the door. Finish?
Well, no.
Wrong code?
That is the one that do in the park.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you got to enter the code to open the door also.
Open.
Yes.
Welcome.
And let's go inside now, peeps. We're inside the apartment. Yeah, light kind of low.
There's more light I can tell.
More light.
I'm going to put change them out and get something here.
Okay. Yes, that's better now. Yes, peeps. And first of all, the most important part of the apartment to me is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
If you don't have any bedroom, that's okay, as long as I have a kitchen.
You're good to go for you have a kitchen.
Yes.
So we have an electrical stove that we use.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you just come, turn that on, and you have your full access. You also have washing machine, dryer.
No, slow down. You're going too fast.
Yeah.
Yes. You have nice cupboard here.
Nice cup. Okay.
Yes.
You do your part.
Come, Sister Blossom, come. I'm telling this part.
You have your coffee station.
Yeah.
Hello
You
guys.
have your
I'm not gonna laugh. Hello guys, welcome back. This is our other Airbnb in the Falmouth area, and this is Stonebrook Manor. And as Holy Fire was showing you through the community, now this is our lovely home here that we will be doing Airbnb as well too. And as he showed you through the house, it's an open concept. So you have your sitting area, you have your dining area, also you have a little, what we call it, I don't know, this is like a counter, but you have 2 bar stools here. I guess you can eat here as well too. Just excuse the bags, we went and do some shopping. And yeah, you can, from the kitchen, you can have your meals here, or if you choose, you can sit around this beautiful table that we would be doing some putting together this table properly for our guests that will soon be here, because we came down here because we having guests coming here very soon. All right, so in front here is you have comfortable sofas here, and I can sit down, and they are reclinable. So yeah, you can lay back. All right, so all of them are reclinable. So if you want to sleep here, feel free to sleep here. All right, get up. All of them are. Remember, this is what I do. I love doing all of this, and you see how the pieces are so beautiful. Buy me out and let me shut my mouth. So yes guys, I've been so funny. You know, we can't be too serious, so we have to make a fun of everything. So all of our sofas, they are reclinable. All right, so the chair outside, this is what you place in the chair outside, and you sit down and you have a lovely scenery of the beautiful Caribbean Sea. All right guys, all of the chairs. Okay. All of the chairs are reclinable. So this one here as well too. This one is reclinable as well. Guys, feel free to come to this beautiful Airbnb. Trust me, you guys would feel away from home, you're at home. All right, so you come here and you will full enjoy your stay. Also, we have a beautiful entertainment center here. Yeah, we have a beautiful flat screen TV. All right, let me turn it on for you. Okay. So I just turn it on. All right. So it has a fire stick, and if you want to go to whatever channel you want to go to, you know, so it's booting up right now. As you see, Fire TV. So this is how it boots up, and then you wait, and then you would have all the little icons that is going to come up. Wherever channel you want to go to, you can go to. As well, on this little plaque here, it has the Wi-Fi password. It's right here. So when you come to this beautiful Airbnb, you can be able to have Wi-Fi here, because I know that this here, if you don't have this, guys, you're not cooking with any gas.
I should put an older Fire 777 TV.
Okay, yes, for sure. For sure.
So yes, peeps, she's looking for older Fire 777 TV.
Right, so you can be able to subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
And it's a very nice place, peeps. It's a very nice place from what you have seen. Yes, and we are going to go into the bedroom shortly. Yes, it's a nice, very nice place. As you say, you got reclinable seats here, so you can always fall asleep. And trust me, these settees are very nice. They are nice. And that is we're going to play tennis later, right?
So this is our games thing that we can go and have some games.
Yeah.
I have to go and play some
lawn tennis.
Even if you buy some good lawn tennis racket.
So I've never played tennis yet, peeps.
Yeah. This is the real stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
So later we're gonna play tennis.
And I have 6 balls. So when you take these there and you finish playing, you have to take them back here to the Airbnb, because you have to have your own to use it in the port itself.
Okay.
We'll make sure that we bought that for you guys. So even if you are not a good player, first look at this.
And this is All Fire 777 TV. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So yes, peeps, we're gonna show you the bedroom. So stick and stay, don't go nowhere. And yes, peeps, this is the laundry. Yes, so we have a dryer and washing machine and dryer. Yeah, this is a good size laundry. Yeah, pretty nice laundry. That is it, please. And now I'm taking it to the bathroom and to the bedroom. Yeah, so good size washroom. Here now, we're entering the bedroom. And the bedroom is pretty cool, peeps. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And as you see this stuff, you know, this is Sister Blossom with her swan. Hey Swan, what you doing on my bed? This is the Swan. Yeah. Nice, peeps. And I tell you, it is very cool. And the AC, yeah, so the remote here on it, alright? I'm gonna turn off this AC. Can't manage that all night, peeps. That's too cool for me. That's too cool for me. And peeps, they have a walk-in closet. Big side closet. Very big closet. So put in whatever you have, your suitcase and stuff. It's a very big closet. Yeah. Extremely big. I think you need more than that. A lot of space. So come into an Airbnb to put up whatever you have. Yes, and I have a dresser here. As you can see, the dresser kind of messy because I have all my laptop and phone on it and all of that. So yeah, that is that. Yeah. And the other side, the AC there. So it's fully AC. You have a little bedside table. Yeah. And good size bed. Yes, and the mattress. It's firm. And you can see the tile. Nice tile. And last but not least, the bathroom. And the bathroom is nice as well. Good size bathroom. Yeah. Yes, and decoration is also done by Jamaican girl. So that is that piece. It's very nice. And this is Stonebrook Manor in Falmouth, Trelawny. Yeah. And Trelawny is, Falmouth is the capital of Trelawny. So this is it, peeps. So it is night now. And I am going to get a bath and go sleep. Get up early in the morning and go to the gym. Go to the gym in the morning. So peeps, catch you in the morning. That is it for tonight. Yeah, catch you in the morning. Good morning, peeps. This is the next morning. Yeah, it's another day.
Paradise.
Yeah, another day in paradise. Stonebrook Manor. Yeah.
So I take a shortcut.
So we are going to the gym. We are going to the gym today. Sister Blast my back.
Yes, good morning guys. Good morning. Welcome back to Holy Fire 777 TV. We on the road.
Yeah, and we are going to the gym. It's gym morning.
Hill views, you see?
Yeah, so that's it.
Mountain views.
So here says this part here only get help you only by our side.
Yeah.
Not everybody get
Come on, so I see, man. See that for everybody. Everybody
no,
have
but
a
not
piece
everybody. So the residents here not have see.
Every plus a seat over there, sir.
So this is a park here for the people who are around here could come and sit down. No, I'm talking about here, babe.
Yeah, man, I'm planted up.
No, I'm talking about here. These residents here can't see the sea.
And the pants are high.
None of them don't see, man. Remember, say none of the house have a two-story not on that side, so it don't block your view either.
Nobody can look out.
Yeah.
See the security guard there, like he just live down. That's all you got house. See him down there?
And here.
This place you want for walk. I love it.
So let us walk in, Sister Blast. I mean,
For walk,
yeah, you can walk almost a mile. It's a whole heap of walking.
you want to walk by the one at the house.
At the
near to
house, that's different.
Sitting here again.
Yeah.
The Mexican here. So, you see?
You're gonna need to have to walk around, Sister Blast.
I don't pass through certain of the streets and all.
Yes.
Drive out the community. We have to drive it out.
Oh my gosh. You know what really I like?
Uh-huh.
It's amazing. This here, the people treat this place really good.
So, a couple of people at the gym already.
So if you like basketball, it's
Yeah.
good for you.
Basketball.
Something is really good with this morning here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
It is a pure
Fresh, yeah, yeah.
different.
Not polluted, neither.
No, it's different.
Yeah. Yeah. So yes, babe, stick and stay. We are going into the gym.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Get the cloth for the belly.
Yeah. So you're working on the belly?
Yeah, working on the belly.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do jigging.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You're gonna go Sister Blast?
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try?
Yeah.
You use exercise stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, so Sister Blast gonna lift some weights. Try to do it, Sister Blast. Try to do it. See how heavy it is.
I seen you. Yeah, I seen you. Wonderful, you're doing well. You're doing well.
So if that Devon starts sweat it. You don't start sweat it, man. Almost. Go, Sister Blast, go. You're doing great. Go. Yeah. Yeah, Sister Blast, go, go. Tell me you're tired already. You tired already? That's like 30 seconds. Huh? So I'm going at it good so far. And actually my muscle feels very good. And we have to stick and stay.
Huh? You got pedal faster. You're doing good. You're doing well.
Alright. Stop laughing now. Start our exercise. Walk. Let go, don't cheat it. Walk and breathe. From gym instructor this morning. So we start sweat the peeps. Belly look like it's moving. Yeah. What if I doing anything?
Just stop blast doing.
Let's go fix that up, man. Blassie. Stand up straight in front of it. This is 30. Alright. Go like this now. Watch me. Mind you fall off right now. You can't stop, you know. You can't stop.
Look here.
People. You can imagine this. Not even 5 seconds on the machine. And she pause it. My wife, treadmill is on and she wants to stop on the treadmill while it's running. You can imagine what could have happened. Putting out the stop button. To pull up. Get her run with it. Yeah. You see, hold the fire, stretch. You ready to start?
Finish this.
So, finish.
Why are we zooming?
Alright, peeps. Want it in a run mode?
Yeah.
30. Feel the peeps. You want it? Don't cheat it, man. Leg of the thing. Leg of the thing and run. Peeps, so this is this. I can't the boss this I'm moving. What's up, peeps? Man, I hold on and I run. Free up the hand, yes. See me now? Ah, you know it look good. You know it look good. But I got to step up the face now. Alright, peeps. See me? Let go now and run, like you say. Good. Hold up here, sir. I'm not far to see anything. Yeah? Don't look bad. Look like Donald up on the runway. Talk to the people over here, sir. Please, look at it. That's a go on for water. I can't believe that some of those. That go on good enough. Come with 10 minutes worth of running, high speed. Seen that?
It's warm enough.
Them just warm up.
It's a good warm up, babes. I'm not that fit as yet, but I'm getting there. Yeah. Woo.
Hello, sir. Next runway. The mommy are going on the don't check out that bar.
So you're showing off on us?
Don't put that on the video. Okay, don't put that on the video. Don't put him on. If you don't video him, don't run already one time. No further video that one.
So you're showing off?
I'm showing off only because him can run on the treadmill. Don't video. Don't video that one. No, don't video that one. Come on. That one, go lift some weights now. It don't make sense. You know, many times on social media, I see people fall off of this thing. I had a fear of the thing. Instead I came on this morning. Oh my God.
That's the thing too.
The one time me lost,
Yeah.
looking for me to the end of this thing, I said, what? I remember a lot of people come on the treadmill and just go.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I remember it somewhere. Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna need some more weights too.
The one that is on.
Yeah.
That is it.
More interested in building muscle.
That's right.
Because my belly is growing.
Actually,
I'm just starting here, so obviously with me. I'm just starting. It's a blast your time. Huh?
Very good.
You know, one time I took on to 55 push-up. Once. Once again. I couldn't do 55 on my trying to say.
Look at them all. I don't want to hurt my hand. And are you used to this?
Yeah. This is the last one. Let's come up here more often, you know. You should come up here more often. Yeah. And get back, get fit. Yeah. It's the other one. Personal trainer. Yeah. This place we left the gym. And Sister Blast, she was the one who worked out the most. She did about 5.5 seconds worth of working out.
Wickedness.
5.5.
What wickedness is this?
Yeah.
Let us sweat out, you know?
Yeah, at least I exercise
Swimming now will make you do a full body workout.
Yeah, I'm not gonna start exercising back.
Oh, shoot, you know, really?
What?
I go feet still, I'm not reaching that far.
What?
You say, you can't swim neither. Would everyone say that for your thing,
no, I can't swim, man. No, everybody know, watch my channel, know say I grow out swimming.
You grow it out?
I grow it out.
So if I get something now that when you have it around, you know, perfect it and just swim.
Devon, I'm not going into the water. Only fire can swim, Devon. Once in foot touching water, the bottom, and only fire your foot can touch the bottom of the water. Don't worry, Devon. I am not going. Devon, then you see they say, so this is where you need for record.
It's recording. So
Devon don't know where you live.
That's what your wife say, no. So you pass the yard.
Look here. This is good.
Sister, this is content.
Oh my God. Devon pass the yard.
So this place is so big, you pass a yard.
All the houses look the same.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Go on the block.
Listen, this is Akil yard.
Make sure it's approved about my church. I don't want it. The next one.
Yeah, this is your yard. This is your turn. Right.
Find it now, peeps.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that for me, Devon, because I'm not going anywhere.
No, man.
So you don't have to do
We just
that
have it in the car for
Yeah.
signal purposes, you know?
You have to do that for me, my dear.
Give me a second there.
Just stick and stay, peeps. Don't go away. So yes, peeps, this is my first time playing tennis. I always wanted to play. Yeah, so I guess this was all of us first time playing tennis because Evan buy the rackets, but he never get to use them anyhow because he's always busy. Yeah, and Jamaican is girl, they never get to play either. So this is all of us first time playing tennis. So it was fun getting into it and getting to learn the game and how it is, and we have a lot of fun on the tennis court, a lot of laughter and stuff and like that, you know. And this is how these people are now. They are very nice people, not just on camera. Yes, you know, some people pretend to be that just nice on camera. They're actually nice because, you know, it is just in their nature to be nice. Yeah, so this is us playing tennis, full joy in the day, and really have a lot of fun. Really had a lot of fun. It was awesome, you know. Yeah, so just stick and stay and watch the video to the end. And if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe. And remember to like the video. Like the video. And thank you all for the love and support. Much love and respect. Continue to watch the rest of the video. Big up on yourself.
What there? What there? Devon, you gone in the pool or no? What there?
That's 6 runs. 6 runs. We go for that. That's 6 runs. Yes, peeps, so we're out here playing tennis. And it's my first time playing tennis. I'm just getting the hang of it. Yeah, so me and Devon McDonald and Sister Blossom, Jamaican girl. So Devon does like 6 rounds. We are playing tennis, but Devon turned it into cricket and he flick a ball on here for 6. So that's 6. They need him on the West Indies cricket team. You ready, Sister Blas? So me and Sister Blas gonna play until Devon come back. So make sure I set that tape so we get Sister Blas. Yeah, Sister Blas right there in it. Okay, yeah.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? Someday get kid away. Then take your night ahead. Shit turn it over. See I'm never there.
When I finish playing, I'm gonna be able to represent Jamaica. So Devon just come from the gym, but Sister Blossom have him walking around picking up ball, same way. And she's laughing because she give him a lot of exercise. But this is fun, peeps. Stick and stay. Yeah. It's a lot of exercise.
I have 4. How much ball you have? And I have 4. I have 1 in my pocket.
One in your pocket.
I have 4. 6 of them you have there. You have 6? No, I have 4. You have 4? I have 2. I have 4. Oh, yeah, it's right. So them thing we find abroad now. Yeah. Yeah, and then from it the ball bounce. I will go over there again for that. Look here, you're not giving no work, yeah.
No, this is the right way though.
Yeah, but go easy, right? Go easy. Give me a chance again. I mean, see, I get tired, you know, but when I see them, we ain't gonna exercise here, man. See, I get tired, man. That's good, 2 bunks that, 1 bunk if you miss it, man. Again. I get the knot tight and 2 bunks that again. 1 bunk. And sir. 1 bunk, sir. 1 bunk. Shit. Sir. Drop that shot for me. Yeah. You know what the sports game, I said them serve them. Yeah. Love the ball. Yes, guys. Get in the knack of it. Yeah. From the blue or green? Good shot, that
Devon, don't give me any work. Happy
Listen. Where are you over there?
Whispers in my head. What you gonna do?
Go.
So take it, kid, away.
Go. Tired.
Chicken in your head. You turn it off. See I'm not
Phone array. Come on, the phone. A 5.
yes, peeps, I get enough rest, so I'm gonna beat Brother Devon now. Yeah, I'm gonna beat Brother Devon now.
They're only 5 things. Only 5 things. I'm gonna beat them. I'm gonna beat Brother Devon now.
Yeah, watch me beat him now, please.
Oh, happy day.
Yeah. Yeah, my first time too. Are you ready? Ready to be served?
Amen.
Alright. It's a bad one, Pete. It's a bad one. Oh. Okay. Alright. Your time now? Your time now? Oh.
Whispers in my head. What you gonna do?
We just warm up now, please. We just warm up now. Just warm up now. Alright. My one more? That's 6 run.
I don't say that you walk on the first.
Hey?
When you finish, you walk on the first. Oh, you mean? Hey!
Yeah, warming up, you know? Yeah.
What the?
I'm warming up.
Look there. Look how that wrong girl. I saw you play wrong girl, you know?
Alright.
Good play.
진실한 나만의 beliefs 차가운 그득하니 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내 안아 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀 When you feel like it
Alright.
What is that?
Huh?
This plastic. Over my head.
No, there's no water with it. You see, peeps, I beat Brother Devon. I beat him until he's scared of the call for timeout. Sister Blast, you have to call for timeout. You beat him so bad, peeps, you have to ball for timeout. Yeah, you have to ball for timeout. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright, peeps.
best one.
Let's go over to the pool. Second stage.
Whispers in my head What you gonna do 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs You know what they say don't brag about what you have Be careful and be humble otherwise you should be ready to stumble You know what they say 자신감이 없니 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해 Keep walking your way Don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall Don't look back 사실은 말이야 진실한 나만의 beliefs.
Okay, Russell. Put it so too. We must go back. See it? Good floater.
No time no much taking it your now.
Wow. You cut it? Okay. It's okay. I already went in the pool. I went in there already. Yeah, you fell. Probably I was invisible.
Another video. Next one.
Wasn't this one? Probably the other one. Yeah? Mm-hmm.
No, it's wet when slippery. Yeah, it's gonna slippery when wet. Yes, peeps. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the water now. No, you actually can go in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so yes, peeps. So I don't know me already. I've grown out swimming. Yeah, I could swim when I was smaller. Woo! Ow. Eh? Ow. Woo. Ah. Yes, babes. This is me in the pool. This is sweet.
Peeps, just for safety, you know, my brother fully a swim, but now give him that. So just put it around, yeah, and do your thing now. Make him do his thing like that. Yeah?
Oh,
See him now, peeps.
I'm swimming.
Not doing thing.
Yeah. So when you come to Stonebrook Manor, this is the amenities, one of the amenities.
You have the gym, you have the pool, and you have the lawn tennis court.
Lawn tennis.
Yeah? Yes, everything, right through. Nothing green like this. You can walk right through. I know him get brave. Peeps, I know him get brave. You can find us, you know, that deep. Swimmable for everybody, yeah? 5 feet, you know, sir. You're good.
I'm doing better than Sister Blast. Oh my God.
See him there?
I told you, when I get me here, you want to wet up my ear?
Oh, that's
why. Yeah.
Just keep above the water.
Yeah.
Keep above the water.
Oh, so this is good.
So you can just come, relax and enjoy, peeps. And look again, you have a nice sitting here, a gazebo out here, where you can just chill out. On the weekends, on Saturdays, I think they have meet and greet here all the time. So it's a good look. Yeah. So I want to head go underwater, peeps, but I'm not doing things. I walk in a peeps. This is not swimming, you know. Don't make him fool your peeps.
See that, peeps?
Walk in, swim, this is going
This is backstroke. This is backstroke.
No, sir.
This is a blast and this is backstroke.
Peeps,
Oh.
Remember, so the camera can go underwater, please. Him. Walk, that's a walk, please.
Oh my god.
Bounce him a bounce, you know.
Refreshing. Nice, babes. Trust me. Really nice. Finally reached the end.
I'm doing things.
Very nice, babes. Nice. We can't miss this. As I said, Stonebrook Manor. Yeah. The place to be. And look, the water is. What is nice here, and this is in the morning, just we'll go to the gym first, play some tennis, and then, you know, this is the pool. You get what I'm saying? You got to live a little. Yeah, you can't be just working and not living. You know, you got to live. This is the life, you know? Sweet, sweet Jamaica. This is Jamaica. Jamaica. Yes, peeps. Yes. And as I said, you can be in the pool and you're looking out into the sea. This is over. This is Falmouth, and this is we're out in Falmouth where the sea, where the ship's docks and stuff like that. Yeah. But later on we'll go this again and show, no? I'll go on peace, but it's nice. Nice. Yeah. So anyway, peep, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Alright, Sister Blast, alright. So now peeps, we leave in the gym. We go to the gym, we're going to play tennis, and we'll finish at the pool. And Sister Blast is taking us home. I never drive with Sister Blast yet. Yeah, but you know, she angling this like like it's a toy. Alright, Sister Blast, take time, don't scare us.
It's a blessing, trust me.
Yeah, if it you.
You know me now come back around that, right?
Then you didn't spend your money wrongfully.
Yeah.
You spend your money.
That, you know, we spend it rightfully, but
Of course.
yeah, drive and go.
It's just like I don't like the way how they drive down here, you know.
On the road.
Right, I don't like that.
But this is big machine, I shouldn't be afraid to drive this on the road. This is big.
When you fire.
You own the road with this.
Pull your seatbelt off, roll fire. That's why we're getting all of them big.
No, we're almost reached, man. We're almost there. Yeah. You're driving to Montego Bay today.
She has trust me. The man is road and she can't manage to just come to the text when I got the gym.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good here. Right, so that's some backing it up. Yes, big machine. Sister Blast, you're going like you can drive in Jamaica. No, should have line up good. No lot of females that can't get them this door, Sister Blast. You can manage, man. You're ready for Montego Bay Road.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah?
See there?
That is it.
And when done, you're going like you can.
One fire, holy fire.
Yeah, you're ready for Montego Bay Road.
Cancel this.
Yeah. So that is it, peeps. We went and we went to the gym and we played some tennis, to the pool, and we finished now. So yeah, we're gonna go on the road now. We'll finish, eat something. Yeah, so stick and stay. So it's a day full of activity. Yes, family, thank you for watching. Yes, if you watch till the end, enough love and respect. I have more videos coming out with the McDonald's, so remember to check them out on Instagram at MacViews Apartments. Yes, on Instagram. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect.
Keep walking your way, don't look back. No matter even when you fall, don't look back. So shade and Maria. Nobody knows. Nobody 속에서